Hi everyone, Laura Graff here with Scrapbook.com. I'm super excited to show you our adhesive rollers from Scrapbook.com. To be or dot to be? That is the question. I am going to be showing you our Dot Roller Adhesive today and how fabulous it is. I'm going to use the dotted Scrapbook.com adhesive roller to create a simple 12 by 12 layout. This is great high quality roller adhesive. It's photo safe, it's super sticky, it's double-sided, and I love the snap-on cap so you can store it. It's translucent, permanent, precise application, which is great. It goes exactly where you want it, acid-free, and the value is amazing. Such a great price for this. It's designed perfectly to fit smoothly in your hands. It has a sleek design. It's mess-free, and it is, best of all, easy to use. Quick and easy, which is exactly what you need. See how quick and easy that was to make that layout? The Scrapbook.com roller adhesive is perfect for making your projects simple, quick, and easy. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happiness is life handmade.